Hello, and welcome to our review of the Logitech MX Mechanical Mini Wireless Keyboard. If you're looking for a compact keyboard that doesn't compromise functionality, this might just be the one for you. The Logitech MX Mechanical Mini Wireless Keyboard is a small and portable keyboard that can be easily carried around in a backpack or laptop bag. It features a sturdy and durable design with an aluminum frame and keycaps that are rated for up to 50 million keystrokes. This means you can enjoy a reliable and responsive typing experience for years to come. The keyboard is wireless and can be connected to your computer via Bluetooth or the included USB receiver. We found that the connection was strong and reliable, with no noticeable lag or delay. The keyboard also features backlit keys, which makes typing in dimly lit environments a breeze. One of the standout features of the Logitech MX Mechanical Mini Wireless Keyboard is its customizable keys. You can easily reprogram any of the keys to perform specific functions or launch applications, using the Logitech Options software. This is especially useful if you use certain programs frequently and want to streamline your workflow. Another great feature of this keyboard is its long battery life. With a single charge, you can use it for up to 10 days with the backlight on, or up to 5 months with the backlight off. This makes it perfect for on-the-go use, as you don't have to worry about running out of battery mid-workday. Overall, we highly recommend the Logitech MX Mechanical Mini Wireless Keyboard for anyone looking for a high-quality and portable keyboard. With its durable design, responsive typing experience, and customizable keys, this keyboard is a great choice for both personal and professional use. Thank you for watching our review of the Logitech MX Mechanical Mini Wireless Keyboard. If you found it helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and product recommendations.